Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 4, Make versus Buy Analysis, Lesson 1, Make or Buy Decision Framework. Make or Buy Decision Framework. Definition. The make or buy decision is the act of choosing between manufacturing a product or providing a service internally, in-house, or purchasing it from an external supplier, outsourcing. Strategic importance. This is not just a cost calculation, it is a fundamental strategic choice that impacts a company's core competencies, control over quality, and supply chain structure. 2. The core framework. Key factors to consider. The decision framework is typically broken down into three main pillars: cost, control, strategy, and capacity, capability. A. Cost analysis, the quantitative factor, total cost of ownership, TCO. The framework emphasizes looking beyond the purchase price. Costs to make: direct materials, direct labor, factory overhead, equipment depreciation, R&D, and storage. Costs to buy: purchase price, transportation, logistics, supplier management, quality inspection, and tariffs. Break-even analysis: determining the volume at which it becomes cheaper to make rather than buy. B. Strategic importance, the qualitative factor, core versus context. If the product, service is central to your business's competitive advantage, e.g., a car engine for Toyota, the framework leans toward make. If it is a commodity item, e.g., office supplies, it leans toward buy. Intellectual property, IP. If the process requires proprietary knowledge or technology that you need to protect, make is often preferred. Supplier market reliability. Are there reliable suppliers? Is the market dominated by a few players who could hold you hostage later? C. Capabilities and capacity, the operational factor, available expertise. Does the company have the skilled labor and management expertise to produce the item? Available technology. Does the company own the necessary machinery and technology? Capacity. Does the company have excess capacity in its current facilities, or is it already operating at full capacity? If at full capacity, making a new product might require expensive new facilities. The make scenario, vertical integration, definition. Performing the activity in-house. Framework drivers. Lower costs in the long run. Tighter control over quality and schedules. Protection of proprietary technology. Utilization of excess internal capacity. The buy scenario, outsourcing, definition. Relying on external suppliers. Framework drivers. Lower costs, due to supplier economies of scale. Limited internal expertise or capacity. Freeing up capital to invest in the company's core business. Access to supplier innovation and specialized technology. The hybrid approach. Introduction. The framework isn't always binary. Sometimes companies use a combination, such as partial integration, buying components but assembling them in-house. Strategic alliances. Partnering closely with a supplier without fully acquiring them. Summary for the beginner. The make or buy framework is a checklist of questions designed to prevent you from making a decision based on cost alone. You must weigh financial data against strategic goals and operational reality to determine the best path forward. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.